What is Penny looking for? Oh, she needs to pee but can't find her potty. Oopsie, Penny had an accident.
You are too old to use the potty.
But Penny thinks big toilets are scary. She might fall in. It's a special seat cover.
You see, it's very simple. Now, try it yourself.
And it really works. Pit, flush the toilet, please. He left a stinky mess inside. Now Penny thinks there's a toilet monster. Pit, by not flushing…
You awakened a toilet monster!
Monster, you say?
Pit's not afraid at all. But Penny is…
What's happened?
I'm afraid of the toilet monster!
It's not a monster. It's just the sound of the toilet flushing.
Now Pit needs the toilet. But he's scared.
Then no monsters.
There, now everyone is ready for bed. Nighty-night.
I will dress up myself. Hooray, hooray. Look at my cool shoes. Yay, yay, yay. Put on my fancy hat. La, 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 la. Dressing up is super fun, fun, fun. Fun, 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 fun. Perfect outfit. Do, 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 do. Can't wait to start the day. I will dress up myself. Hooray, hooray. Curtain pants. Yay, yay, yay. Almost done. La, 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 la. Dressing up is super fun, fun, fun. Perfect outfit. Do, 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 do. Can't wait to start my day. Do, 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 do. I'm ready for surprises. Do, 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 do. My clothes look so bright. Do, 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 do,
It's time to find baby a potty. Just follow the sign. There's so many to choose from. Be careful, Pit.
We are choosing a potty for the baby.
Oh, Pit. Maybe baby would like a whale potty. What's wrong, Penny? That potty is too wet. What about this potty? No, it's too stinky. Look at all the superhero potties. Ooh, it's Iron Baby.
Yay, yay!
This potty is too loud and had too many lights. This one looks like a golden castle. Penny's stuck. Can Pit help pull it off? Oops, look at that mess. The store owner wants the family to leave. Pit knows what to do.
We will make our own pot!
You can start with Penny's old potty. Clean off the spiders first. Paint it purple and add a flower. Let's see what Mommy and Baby think. Try it, Baby. Baby loves it. Well done, kids.
Something's wrong. What is it, Penny?
I need to go to the bathroom.
just a toy. It's so dark and scary. What was that?
Monsters everywhere!
You're almost there. But where is the monster? It almost caught Penny. Mommy's here.
What's happened, sweetie?
There is a monster there!
Oh,
Wait, that's not a monster.
Oh, it's just a kitty!
Monsters aren't real.
I'm not afraid anymore!
Pit thinks it's scary. But he needs the potty too. Yep, it's pee-pee time. Well, Pit,
Ah!
Oh, I can do it too.
do you see any monsters?
Nah, you're just a shadow.
Nope, not a monster. Just a little further.
There's a scary monster.
Hurry, Penny, help!
What monster?
That's not a monster.
Oh, it's just Dad snoring.
That's why Mommy kicked him out of bed.
I'm not scared anymore.
Someone's there!
Ninja!
That's no ninja.
It's just me!
Polly needs the potty. And she's ready for any monster. Will anything stop her? She better hurry. Oh no, it's the biggest monster ever. But she's not afraid. Stop, Polly. It's just Mommy. Good night, everyone.
Vodka, vodka.
Let's take away mobile phone. Let's take away mobile phone. The world is waiting for me. There's so much to do and see. Without my phone, I can run and play. Let's take away a mobile phone. Let's take away a mobile phone. The world is waiting for me. There's so much to do and see. There's so much to do and see. Without my phone, I can run and play. Laugh with my friends, all night and day. Hooray! No beeps, no bars. Take a look. It is truly wonderful. Playing games and having fun. Everything's so magical.
Vodka, vodka.
Magic pencil, you're so shiny. La la la, I am so happy. I can draw whatever I like. La la la, so sparkly and bright. Draw it, sketch it, make it fun. Everything will come to life. It's so free, just like a dream. Everything looks so real. La 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 la. It's so magical. La 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 la. It's so magical. Red, orange, yellow, blue and green. Rainbow colors are so sweet. Purple, brown, black and pink. A whole new world just for me.
Magic pencil, you're so shiny. La 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 la, I'm so happy. I can draw whatever I like. La la la, so sparkly and bright. Draw it, sketch it, make it fun. Everything will come to life. It's so pretty, just like a dream. Everything